Hi, this is from Vijayakumar, Department of Physics, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Engineering. Today we discussed in the environmental science topic. The fifth unit of environmental is social issues and the environment. The second topic of this unit is urban problem related to energy. So the urban problem is a very important issues to be created. To the first one is population inversion. The population inversion is created in a very big problem to urbanization today to be formed. So based on the populations to be created in a more problem that we discuss from these topics. First of all, what is urbanization that we given from the introduction part of? It is defined as the process of movement of human population from rural area to urban areas. So the rural area peoples to be switch over in the urban area to form of better economic formation and another better education formations, then communication, health, then other need of the peoples, they move from rural to urban. So the population, it will be increased to the form of rural to urban to the based on this category to be need of the human being. So the urbanization refer that the population shift from rural to urban area, the corresponding decrease in the proportion of people living in rural area. So the rural area will be empty, the urban area to be forming the many of that. So look at that. This is the smart city we form in the nowadays in the most of urbanizations formation. In our city also to be form of smart city, so we get in a most of in overbridge, the lot of crowd in peoples and vehicles and the pollutions. This all to be forming the urbanization. The factor influence of urbanization: the lack of monetization of agriculture sector, the lack of job opportunities, poor lifestyle, poor health facilities, poor education facility, poor transportations and poor availabilities. So these all to be the factor influence in urbanizations. So the energy requirement for sustaining in urban life. So what are the energy they will be required to the form of urban area to be sustaining the peoples? The one is industrial activity and energy. So that need to be industrial activities energy is a 37%, because the population is based on the industrial area, the work need. Then second one is in a transportations, that to be need of the energy is 30%. Then urban water supply and energy. So the water supply of the urban area is another one road. Then another energy is for building, water heating, space heating, space cooling. Then another one is an energy required for clean up drive, then solid waste management, then hazardous waste management. This is all to be cleaned from some energy requirement to the form of cleanup process. Then essential service and energy hospital education institutions. So we followed from in our all PPT in activity based. So the solution of urban problems: the mass movement of rural area has to be stopped. So the rural area peoples In somewhat it will be they need from the urbanization, that will we move it better for that the other categories. The energy is to be saved by proper utilization, because we save the energy not only for the fuels, then other also to be saved from the energy. Then eco-friendly energy resource has to be identified, the population has to be controlled, the energy has to be generated from sustainable form of resources. So these all to be solutions. So the problem already we discussed, the solution also to be given from that. So these two will be balancing, the urbanization nature will be good, otherwise it will be affected from urbanizations. So thank you very much for this interaction sections. This is my reference to prepare from this PPT topic of urbanization and environmental. We discuss in another one topic in another one video. Thank you very much.